Alright, now we finna install O-rings and valve cover gasket. What I want to do is, I don't know why I do this all the time, but just to make sure it's a little snug fit, just a little light lube to go around that seal, and place it right there on there, and then let it just slide in there, and then just drop every last one over there and go back with my my rubber mallet, lightly tap them back in, secure them, real good, slightly tap them back in, little grease, little lube, little lube, hand press them in there if necessary, because that lube helps them seal off good. And then we'll take that rubber mallet there, all that excess that's sticking up, take this little mallet here, just tap on it, not too hard, just enough to get that seal down permanently where that oil ain't gonna come through there and get to those plugs. We're basically trying to protect those plugs. Yeah, give a shout out to Pumpkin. She allow us to take the time out and do a little video on her car repairment. I told her I was gonna start up my my channel, and that she was willing to help me out, and I actually was okay. I said good deal. Okay, now we're gonna put this valve cover gasket on, make sure she's clean, wipe off any kind of areas, make sure your hands, let me get my hands a little cleaner than that, get some of that resin off so I can handle it more better. Yeah, make sure she's nice and clean there. So what we'll do is find that first seam where that is gonna go in there, and make sure let's turn her back around. She's not gonna go in that way for sure. So what we'll do is line her up, make sure she's all in those tracks, get all through those tracks right there, just like putting something back in line or getting it on track. And so we came out to here with that one, so that couldn't have happened like that. So let's try this other one, because that goes at a slow. It's got to be front and rear on that tag. It said front FP. So let's try this one. I know we have two of them, so there's gonna be a match up somewhere. It's gonna be a match somewhere. Yes, indeedy. And she fits just right. So what we'll do now, see, we got O-ring, we got gasket installed. So what we'll do now is flip her over. We're gonna flip her over and set her back in there. Not worrying about it coming loose, because we're trying to wiggle her in there so she'll set flush and not bind on anything. Make sure you can get her in there. Okay, there she is. She's fitting perfect now. All right, and that'll be her. Cut it.